Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at any weather concerns that we may have here moving through the next week to 10 days. And the main, actually two concerns, thunderstorms, which will increase for all of the area this weekend, and very heavy rain is looking likely. So let's get to it with a look at Futurecast. We'll start you off tomorrow evening as we are looking dry for the most part for Tuesday. Going through Tuesday night, we will see clouds increase across the area. Notice a few thunderstorms to our north and west, and we will see a pretty good shot for some thunderstorms near and north of Interstate 30 as we head into Wednesday afternoon as well as Wednesday night. Futurecast shows the storm strongest north of I-30 during the nighttime hours Wednesday night. And then on Thursday, main focus of the rain will shift back to the north. The rest of the ArkLaTex will stay dry, and that's probably going to be the case for Friday as well. Talk about the chance of severe weather. Storm Prediction Center indicates a level 2 slight risk over the northwestern corner of the area. That's where wind and hail probably will be the biggest concerns. But Futurecast as of right now for Wednesday, not really showing a whole lot. This takes us through Wednesday night. You can see the peak wind gusts basically close to 30 miles per hour with the more widespread, stronger gusts to the north of the ArkLaTex, as you can see here. So it's quite possible Wednesday that the worst of the severe weather may stay to our north, but we will be watching the northwestern quarter of the area very closely. Now, beyond that, most of the ArkLaTex is going to have to wait until this weekend. You can see the first disturbance moving through, but we still have a big upper level trough sitting to the west of us here as we head into Friday night. And then starting this weekend, we'll see several waves of thunderstorms move through the area. Looks like we will see a risk for severe weather on Saturday. Another chance for some thunderstorms as the final impulse here moves through late Tuesday night, possibly Wednesday. And then we'll see another big upper level low dig to the west of us over the western sections of the country towards the basically 2 weeks from now. So we're going to be looking at a rather active pattern here late this week and during the next couple of weeks. Now, as far as the severe weather outlooks from the Storm Prediction Center, again, everything shifts to the north on Thursday. No issues for us. On Friday, we'll have to watch the northwestern corner of the area, but it's kind of doubtful that we'll have any severe weather issues in our area on Friday. And for Saturday, the risk is looking highest over the northern sections of the area. And right now, it still looks like wind and hail probably would be the biggest concerns as we look ahead to this weekend. As of right now, SPC does not have a risk outlook for either Sunday or Monday, but still, we will have some thunderstorms in place. I mentioned the risk for severe weather. It still looks like, been mentioning this for the past week now, that we would be settling into a very wet weather pattern. Latest from the blend of all the different models shows rainfall totals of 3.5 to 8.5 inches across the ArkLaTex here from now through next Thursday. Amounts will be heaviest over the northern edge of the area and lightest over the south. Reason for the north, you're going to see more waves sooner as we look ahead to the end of this week. So that being said, a look at your forecast here for the next 10 days shows that we will see, at least in Shreveport, the rainfall chances remaining slim through Friday. Obviously, those chances will be higher further to the north, and then all of us will have a good shot for thunderstorms this weekend through the first half of next week. Daytime highs will mainly be in the 80s, with overnight lows mainly staying in the 60s.